Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by loosening the D string. Turn the tuning peg until the string is slack and safe to handle. Once loose, unwind it from the peg, and if it's stubborn, cut the string near the bridge so you can remove the ends cleanly. Make sure to protect your fingers with a cloth and, if acoustic, gently pull the bridge pin straight up. For electric, feed the string out through the tail or bridge hole. This gets you ready for the new string. You feed the new D string through the bridge or seat the ball end under the bridge pin. Make sure the string sits properly in the saddle groove. Once fed, pull the string toward the headstock, keeping it across the nut slot, and leave enough length for 2 to 3 winds around the tuning post. Make a small bend or anchor at the peg to prevent slippage. Then start winding slowly while maintaining tension so winds coil neatly downward on the post. You tune the new string up to pitch, aiming for the D note with a tuner. Bring it close but don't over-tension. Once near pitch, gently stretch the string by pulling up along its length several times, then retune. Repeat until it holds stable. After tuning, trim excess string with flush cutters, leaving a small tail for safety. Finally, check intonation at the 12th fret and make minor bridge or saddle adjustments if needed, if buzzing or slips occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.